Hello and welcome back to Purpose Path TV Global. If you are a medical laboratory scientist planning to work abroad, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you 1. Sponsorship job opportunities in New Zealand and Canada. 2. Licensing requirements. 3. Step-by-step registration process. 4. And how to avoid costly mistakes. Let's begin. Section 1. New Zealand opportunities. New Zealand has strong demand for medical laboratory scientists and medical laboratory technicians. You can work in hospitals, diagnostic labs, private laboratories, employers hiring, district health boards, hospitals, private labs, Awanui labs, PathLab, etc. Some employers may offer visa support, relocation assistance, job placement after registration. Section 2. NZ licensing, MSCNZ. To work in NZ, you must register with Medical Sciences Council of New Zealand, MSCNZ. Requirements: degree in medical laboratory science, academic transcripts, proof of experience, English test, IELTS/OET if required. Step by step. 1. Apply online to MSCNZ. 2. Submit credentials for assessment. 3. Competency evaluation. 4. Possible bridging/competency program. 5. Registration approval. 6. Apply for jobs. 7. Apply for visa, AEWV. Section 3. Canada opportunities. Canada has high demand for medical laboratory technologists, MLT. Work settings: hospitals, public labs, private labs. Many provinces need workers urgently. Section 4. Canada licensing, CSMLS. To work in Canada, you must pass Canadian Society for Medical Laboratory Science, CSMLS. Step by step. 1. Credential assessment. 2. Eligibility approval. 3. Write CSMLS exam. 4. Pass exam. 5. Provincial registration. 6. Apply for jobs. 7. Apply for work visa/PR. Important: some provinces may require bridging program, supervised practice. Section 5. Sponsorship reality. Sponsorship is not automatic. You must complete or be close to licensing. Best strategy: 1. Start licensing first. 2. Apply to employers after eligibility. Conclusion. In summary: NZ MSCNZ registration, job, AEWV visa, Canada CSMLS exam, provincial license, job. If you want employer list, application templates, step-by-step guidance, comment. Lab Science New Zealand Canada. Subscribe to Purpose Path TV Global for more global opportunities.